All right, as we continue to do functions or identify functions or not a function throughout the week, this is the last part of functions. And you're going to see if you can determine a function on a graph. So I have drawn 3 different lines on a graph. And what I mean by the vertical line test is you are going to basically draw a line just like that. And if this line hits here and here, it hits twice. Okay? So if it hits more than once, so it was more than once, this is not a function. It can only hit once when you do the vertical line test. So I have a straight line going left and right. Alright, it hits only once here. Even if I drew another line here, it only hits once. So on this vertical line test, it hits once. So this is a function. Alright, with this one right here, I go straight down. It only hits once. I go straight down again. It only hits once. Okay, only once. So this is a function. All right, you will do this on the Go Formative assignment. If you have any problems, please message me. Or if you have any questions or don't understand, let me know.